glad you're here. Today, I want to share one of the most memorable experience I had with my family. I'm going to share the kind of celebration we had last Father's Day. It was a simple but super fun experience. First, we had noodle fight for lunch, and we celebrate Father's Day with my family, along with my grandfather and uncle. Even though my papa couldn't celebrate with us because he's working abroad, we still made the day special. I hope he's doing well, staying safe, and knows how much we'll miss him. This simple celebration reminded me that love can still be felt even when we are far apart. Then at night, we had ihaw-ihaw party. We grilled barbecue, hot dog, chicken, and yepo. My favorite is grilled chicken, so delicious. After we eat, we had movie marathon at Tita Joanne's house. We watched it on a big screen as if we are watching cinema. We watched a beautiful nightmare. It was a beautiful movie. I learned in that movie is the true value of family. Finally, we enjoyed the rest of the night. We sing, we dance, and we party all night. Nothing can be compared to a time well spent with your family. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.